Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. And probably gonna get this one demonetized or taken down because there's music going on in the background. So I'm trying to talk over, trying to talk loud, but welcome in. This is my neighborhood. This is the sunsets we get. You just missed the sunset at the lagoon. I'll actually take you down there in a second, show you the water. But I just want to give you guys that there's been a lot of stress lately and a lot of talk about bad sales and slow sales and people getting a lot of depressed and a lot of like demotivated and discouraged and just quitting platforms and giving up. And guys, I just want to give you a video tonight to just tell you, like, don't quit, don't give up, keep going. The people that continue on and push through the hard times, they're the ones that continue to make it and will be here next year and the year after and everything. The ones that give up, they quit and that's the end of it. Once you quit, the chances of you restarting are almost none. Like, it's really not a good percentage of people that quit things that started up again and are successful. So don't forget that. Never ever give up on what you're doing. Just push through. Even if you just stay stagnant, like stay where you are and don't grow, at least you're not just quitting and dropping. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be talking to me in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months saying, well, I used to do 3 or 4 grand a month in sales and now I do 300. Not what you want to do. Let's continue this video down at the water. All right, so definitely gonna get this video removed down here because the music up on the stage is just too loud, but there's the lagoon behind you. So one of the things that always was on my mind was like things that I wanted and things like this, where if you just give up, you have no chance at it. If you at least continue to work at it and go hard, at least you give yourself a chance, right? So point of this video is just work hard and not give up, not quit, not stop, and at least give yourself a chance, right? Quitters, they got a 0% chance. You don't want to be in that platform. You don't want to be in that category of people that just gave up on something because times were tough. Nothing ever goes good like 100% of the time, right? Like, you're not going to have a perfect selling month after month for years and years and years. There's always going to be those, dips and downturns, and you got to just ebbs and flows. You've got to work with them and just go hard and work harder than you ever have during the downturns. Otherwise, you can live up those upturns, but those downturns will kill you if you don't. So just keep that in mind always, guys. All right, so I'm out of the lagoon, no more music. But the point of the video is just don't give up, guys. Keep pushing, keep going. Weather the storm. No matter how slow your sales are, or how many offers or how many people are looking at your stuff or your click-through rate or your likes or watchers or whatever, just keep going, because the people that give up, the people that quit when times get tough, you'll never hear about them, right? You only hear about the people that keep going and stay the course and just weather the storm, because that's all we can do, right? Like, there's never a perfect sale season. There's always times where you're gonna be like, oh my God, I sold like $3 bajillion in March and now April is just garbage, right? So when you have a $3 gajillion sale month, save that money, store it away. You know the old fairy tale story about the grasshopper and the ant, or I don't even know. The ant puts away a bunch of food. The squirrel stows away his nuts. The grasshopper. I'm way too old for those fairy tales. Somebody can help me in the comment section with those. But you get the point. Stow away everything, and then when times are bad and the snow is out and you got no food, you'll have your money in your bank account and you'll be able to weather that storm, which is right now. Because it seems like everywhere I go, every Facebook group, people are just, drowning. Am I the only one that sees that? Let me know. Are you seeing that in Facebook groups? Do you own a Facebook group? Is your Facebook group with a lot of people who are having really bad sales right now? Anyways, just a little pick-me-up video for you guys. Hopefully it helps out, and I appreciate you watching as always. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll put little subscribe whatevers. You guys know the drill and the routine. I'll see you again tomorrow on Thursday. I got a really good video for you tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe. Don't miss that video because it's an important one. And hopefully you guys will enjoy it tomorrow. And until then, I will see you later.